Today we're going to make tart, tangy, and crisp turnip pickles. Turnips are one of my favorite things to pickle. When pickled alongside beets, they get this gorgeous hot pink red color that Barbie herself would be jealous of. They are great alongside hummus or in a lavash wrap. You can put them out with a mezze platter with some dolmas and falafel. Let's get started. In a small pot, combine water, salt, and a bay leaf over a medium heat until the salt dissolves. Turn off the heat and stir in white vinegar. Let it cool slightly while you peel and cut turnips and a beet into half-inch thick fry shapes. Thinly slice 3 cloves of garlic. Then pack the turnips, beet, and garlic into a clean glass jar. Pour the brine over the top, making sure everything is completely submerged. Seal with a lid, cool to room temperature, and refrigerate. And that's all there is to it. Serve these turnip pickles the next time you're having hummus and falafel, or put them in your pita sandwich for some extra tang and crunch. You can find the complete recipe at cadryskitchen.com.